How to switch to a creator account on Instagram. First of all, let's navigate and open Instagram app on your phone. Once you are inside the app, from the bottom menu, tap on your profile icon. From the profile page, tap on the three lines at the top right and the settings and activity menu will appear on the screen. Here, scroll down to the Your Insights and Tools section to find account type and tools and tap on it to open. On the next page, tap on account type. Here, select Switch to Professional Account in the blue text. Now, follow the on-screen instructions and tap on Next. Here, you can select a category that best describes your account. Digital Creator is already selected, so tap on Switch to Professional Account. Next, select the type of professional you are. I will select Creator and then tap on Continue. On this page, you can add the following details according to your needs. Now let's go back to the profile page and refresh the page. And there you go. Your account has been successfully switched to a creator account. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.